Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find our TalkBack's tutorial in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So we want to review our TalkBack's options and gestures, etc., etc. Where to find it? Where to find our TalkBack's tutorial? So setting first, then we need to go to accessibility, then TalkBack. Next we need to open settings, and when we scroll all the way down, we have here our tutorial and help. So at the top, as you can see, we have tutorial and we have also a practice gesture option. Of course, to enable it, we need to firstly turn on our TalkBack. But for our demonstration purposes, the option is here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.